is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, I got a blast from the past for you guys. You could probably already tell from the intro, you know what I'm saying? And obviously you read the title, you saw the thumbnail. But before we get into that, man, if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, man. Let's hurry up and get there. Also, if you want to show support, I don't ask for money or anything. All that I ask is that you take the half a second or whatever it takes to go ahead, smash that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms, helps more people see the videos, which can help grow the channel. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, whether it's polls, stories, questions, kicks of the day. You would have saw me post about these already, man. But without further ado, let's get into it, man. So here we have the box right here. So this is a big box, but you guys can already see, man. You know what it is. Pump it up. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Let's look around the box. White top, orange, pump it up on the top of the box. Then we get right here like the Reebok with the actual hint of what's going to be inside, like the pump on the box. Now let's just go over to the size tag. We have a pump on the Zone 2. And this is a men's size 12, man. This is the original white colorway. I already have the shoes out of the box, man. So without further ado, let's get into it, y'all. Here it is, the Reebok pump on the Zone 2. YouTube, here it is, back for the first time in 30 years. I'm not even 30 years old. This shoe released in 1991 for the first time. We get a true re-release. Now, there were Omni-Zone lights previously that I remember coming out, which is like a low top, lighter version of the pump right here. And there actually was, you guys know, so first of all, I'm a big Reebok guy. I didn't get this shoe just because of hype or because of anything, just I was really excited to get these. The black ones, the dunk contest ones did come out recently, but I like the white better, especially for the summertime. So I went ahead and grabbed these. But anyways, like I said, I love Reebok. So there were some Omni-Zone lights that I had a while ago. Like when I say a while ago, I mean before my feet stopped growing. I think I had them in like a size 10 and a half. And obviously I grew out of that. I'm a size 12 now. And then there's also my favorite Reebok silhouette of all time is the Reebok Kamikaze 2. And there is a Kamikaze 2 pump hybrid, but it only ever came out in one colorway. I don't know why they didn't continue with it, but the one colorway it came out with was trash to me. But regardless, man, it is what it is, man. Here we have the Omni-Zone 2, like I said, back for the first time in 30 years. And it is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. Now, off the rip, it gives me two, I guess, similar vibes. I know not everybody's into Reebok or other brands. Most people are Jordan, Adidas people. But people, like, for the true sneakerheads, it is what it is. But this shoe, there's two things that this shoe reminds me of off the bat that I don't know if it reminds anyone else of. But when I look at this shoe, I get two Jordan vibes. I get Jordan 4 vibes and I get Jordan 5 vibes. I just get Jordan 4 vibes from like the wings and the lockdown situation right here, like really similar to what we get on the 4s with our wing. It's not fully detached or as detached as it is on the 4. And then same thing at the bottom there. And then just the shape of it, how bulky it is, a little bit of the 5. But that's just, I don't know, maybe that's just me, but that's what I think about right there. But you got to keep in mind the time that these shoes release. First of all, Nike is notorious for ripping off other brands. That's how Nike started, which is ironic that they want to get after people for doing it now. They stole the Onitsuka Tiger, made it the Cortez. They stole the Puma Clyde, made it the Blazer, right? They actually even ended up stealing the pumps and making the Air Pressure, the Nike Air Pressure, which was their version of the pump-up shoe. But all the brands steal from each other and borrow from each other. And keep in mind, this shoe came out in 1991. The Jordan 4 came out in 89. The 5 came out in 90. I think there definitely was some inspiration there. And the 6 is what came out in 91 with these. And you do get a little bit of 6 vibes, I guess you could say, too, with the panels and everything that are cut there. But enough of the comparisons, man. Let's get into this shoe right here in front of me right now that I'm holding. First of all, the leather quality on here is crazy. Like, the thing I love about Reebok, one of the reasons, like, outside of Nike, Reebok is my single favorite sneaker brand, right? My single favorite sneaker silhouette of all time is the Reebok Kamikaze 2. But the reason why I love Reebok is they don't skimp on materials, man. The leather on here is super, super nice. You guys can see, super soft. Let me get anything. I don't feel like reaching in there right now. I just want to get this video done. But super, super soft, thick cut leather too. It's not just like on a soft Jordan 1 like the UNC ones or the Bloodline ones, where it just like not only does it bounce back, but you could tell it's thick cut leather, like thick bacon. You know what I'm saying? That really thick, nice, smooth, buttery leather all the way around, which is great. Especially considering this shoe retail for only $140, right? If they made a Jordan 5 with this type of leather, it'd be a $220 shoe guaranteed, right? So beautiful shoe, right? Not too much to talk about colorway wise. All white. We get the black, I guess, lockdown. I call it the wings to compare to the Jordan 4, right? We get the black lockdown system with the orange tips right there. And then the highlight of the shoe, man, what we all came here to see is the pump, right? Here it is right there, the basketball pump on the tongue. Now, there are tennis pumps, which would have the tennis ball there. Obviously, you would put the shoe on, tie it up. If you want to tighten it, here's your pump right here to tighten it. You can feel it tighten it up. Then here's your release valve right here. Boom. Release all the air that you got in there. Perfect. Now, shoe just has really one what's it called? Air bladder in here that goes through the tongue around the heel. I'm pretty sure they put it in here. I'm not 100% if this one actually pumps up. I think it does. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't put it on yet. I literally just got it out the box. I'm on a time crunch, so I had to get this video done. Literally just got it 20 minutes ago, got delivered. So I haven't had too much time to really delve into it yet. Haven't put it on yet, obviously. But also, man, technology-wise, obviously the pump's there. But then you have the famous Reebok Hexalite from the 90s, man. So this Hexalite, and you can see it in the window here, kind of on the outsole. Now, it's not the same full Hexalite that they had back in the 90s, but that is, I don't want to compare it to Air because it's a completely different technology. But that, like how Nike is Air, like they're synonymous, like Reebok and Hexalite are synonymous. Like that's their like you get some pumps, Hexalite, Shagnosis, Hexalite, Questions, Hexalite, Kamikazes, Hexalite, Kamikaze 2, Hexalite, right? That is their biggest cushioning system, at least at that time, man. And it is present in here again, you guys. I am super, super excited to have these. Once again, guys, I'm a sneaker nerd. Like I said, I wasn't alive when these first came out, which is why I love retros, right? I love the concept of retros, me being a young sneakerhead and knowing the history of sneakers, right? I'm a historian, a student of the game, right? Knowing the history of sneakers. This is a sneaker that I've wanted for a really long time. I'm not going to call it a grail, right? It's not a grail by any means, but it's a shoe that I definitely wanted in the collection because of how important it is, man. Absolutely love these. Appreciate what these stand for. Just like a lot of other Jordan retros or like how I was with the Air Max 90 infrared or whatever it is, right? I just want the original technology for the collection, man, to help tell the entire story with my sneaker collection, man. But I absolutely love these, you guys. I'm not sure if they're still on Foot Locker. They didn't sell out as quick as the black ones did. You know what I'm saying? Like they dropped at 10 o'clock. I think I picked these up at like 10:20 from Foot Locker on the Foot Locker app. And I actually left it downstairs. But it came with some coupons and stuff, which is pretty cool. But didn't come with a receipt, but did come with some Foot Locker coupons, man. But yeah, man, I absolutely love these. I'm geeking out. Super excited to have them, man. Thank you guys for watching the video, though. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you like these? Do you like the black ones? Do you think they should make more pairs? I think they should make more pumps with modern colors, right? Different colors. Because there's a lot of different, like, panels. Like, they can have the Toby one color. They can have this wraparound be another color. They could change the color of the mesh. They could change the color of these wings, change the color of the pump, right? They could do a lot with this shoe. Outsole on it is fire too. I meant to talk about that. I really love this outsole, how it's cut out with that old school herringbone pattern. But absolutely love these, man. Huge fan. So happy to have them in the collection, man. Love Reebok, you know what I'm saying? I love everything that Reebok is about. And once again, me being a big Reebok guy, it's always nice to always have a piece of history to go with the rest of the Reebok collection, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, if you want to support, all that I ask is that you take the 2 seconds to go ahead, smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel. And last but not least, make sure that you go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Poll stories, questions, kicks of the day. You would have seen these up there already. All of that stuff, man. I even post when I post my videos on YouTube on there. So go follow that, man. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.